Hello, I'm Miss A. Soma. Welcome to my Japanese learning lesson. Today I will introduce some Japanese pronunciation rule called Vowel Deletion, 母音の無声化. Let's get started. In one of my previous videos on the すみません and お願いします combination, I told that we could pronounce お願いします in two ways, お願いします and お願いします. And I recommended that no native speakers should pronounce the last vowel because we are very bad at hearing just consonants. If you haven't seen this video yet, please check out the link below. After uploading this video, one of my language exchange friends sent me a message insisting on last vowel should be clipped because most Japanese narrators and voice actors don't pronounce the last vowel. He's right. Actually, there is a rule called vowel deletion. But it is a special rule for narrators and voice actors, not general rule for everyone. It is not have to do rule, but more of a something you can do rule. So most Japanese textbooks don't mention about this rule. But if you know this rule, it might make you pronouncing Japanese easier in some situations. So I'll explain about this rule. Rule 1. When I or U are sandwiched by the consonants K, H, P, S, T, then vowel I or U can be clipped. Rule 2. When I or U are placed at the end of the sentence, I or U can also be deleted. This is the vowel deletion. Before showing you some examples, let me review a basic rule of Japanese pronunciation. 1. Each hiragana has one syllable. Konnichiwa. It is not konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Each hiragana has one syllable. 2. Each syllables should be spoken for the same length of time. Konnichiwa, konnichiwa, or konnichiwa is not good. Konnichiwa, same length of time. So, sukiyaki. The first U could be clipped because it is sandwiched by S and K, but su should be pronounced for the same length of time as the other hiraganas. So, if you omitted the vowel U, it shouldn't be sukiyaki, but sukiyaki. Sukiyaki, sukiyaki. Both of them are okay, but sukiyaki is bad. Did you get that? So now I'll show you some examples of vowel deletion.
Examples.
Ki, kikai, kikai, machine. Kiken, kiken, danger. Kusuri, kusuri, medicine. Gakusei, gakusei, student. Ashita, ashita, tomorrow. 支払い、支払い、payment. 好き、好き、like. 息子、息子、son. 力、力、power. 近い、近い、close. 包む、包む、to wrap. 月、月、moon. 光、光、light. 一人、一人、alone. 布団、布団、布団。不幸、不幸、unhappiness. ピカピカ、ピカピカ。onomatopoeia, sparkling. プチプチ、プチプチ。While you were watching my mouth, you may have noticed that I didn't just omit the vowel, but I still made the shape of the vowel. Doing this is important for properly using vowel deletion. This is not ksha, but kisha, kisha. There are many words to which this rule can apply. As I said, this is not a have-to-do rule, something you can do rule. When you find tough words to pronounce, 東京特許許可局許可局長 kind of like, you might try to remember this rule and apply it. When the words are easier to pronounce with vowel deletion, just make sure don't forget to pronounce each syllables evenly, or Japanese people may not understand you. Here's an example. Imagine that one non-native speaker girl and two Japanese girls.
Hi! すき焼き好き？き焼き？き焼きって何？ケーキって言ってんじゃない？あ、ケーキ大好き大好き。ケーキ食べに行こう。ケーキ食べに行こう。
When compared to most languages, Japanese pronunciation is really easy if you don't care about how natural you sound. The most important to keep in mind is to pronounce each syllable for the same length of time. This is the most important thing. You can practice to pronounce evenly while watching my other videos, so please check out the link below. Thank you for watching this lesson. See you in next video. どうもありがとうございました。